Antolene with a SWAT. For basic care of your computer, don't leave it in your vehicle, ever. No matter the weather outside, it will damage your computer. At home, don't be under your computer when you're charging it. That way it protects the charger in case somebody trips over your charger or the charger cord gets stuck and it gets ripped out of your computer. It will break. Keep both your computer and your charger out of reach of your younger siblings and pets. We do count it as vandalism. Don't put things on the top of your screen for your computer when it's flat, because it's going to put pressure on your screen and break it. When you're closing your computer, make sure you do a double check to make sure there's nothing in your computer before you shut it in order to stop your screen from breaking.